You, sir, are playing a dangerous game. Keeping this much raw Vikingness contained, there will be consequences!
I'll take my chances.
Between you and me, the village could do with a little less speeding, don't you think? Oh, the gods hate me. Very nice. Not me, I'm getting to lose an entire dragon. Ow!
Love it.
It's hard to look right.
We're dead. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Where do you think you're going?